It's a nasty day. Ooky. Windy. Oh, it's not too chilly, but it's windy. That's the worst part. Boats bouncing all around. All around. There. Get a little better viewage. Hey, we're going to try to catch us a couple of fish. It's windy. Once again, we're using Mission soft taco shells or fajita shells. Super soft, they claim. They claim they're super soft. Hey, fish like them. Probably more than they should. Let's get some bigger pieces on there. We're going to go straight for the patented parachute. Oh, heck. This one. I should probably switch this camera to the other side, other ear. I'm going to do that. Well, but first, I can't wait. Let's pop one out there. Ready, set. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3. Oh, that was fast. Oh, we got one. It's not real big. We'll probably eat it if you had to. Cut him up for bait. Whatever you want to do. All right, hold still, Mr. Medium-sized shell cracker. Oh, that was a good dive. Nice re-entry. Yeah, I'm gonna move that this thing to the other ear. Take a second. I'm gonna champion this. How do you do this? Check, 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 check. How's it going? All right, all right. Oh, and his wife. I didn't see her. Good morning. Gotta say good morning to everybody as they come by. Yeah, got to. Man, how's these things go in your ear? Oh, wait, I've got it. There. All right, back to the show. Sorry about that. All right, well, they're active. Might get a little less wind on the other side there of my face. It's coming directly out of the north. It's always a crappy direction to deal with. All right, back to the patented parachute rig. What we do is we put one big piece straight through the bottom hook and slide it up like stringing popcorn. You know, on your string in the Christmas time, popcorn, whatever it is. Surprised people don't have ants all over their tree. Not uncles, but ants. Not uncles. Bunch of ants. Okay, here we go. There it is. 1,000, 2, 1,000. Are you counting? 4, 1,000. Uh-oh, what happened? Did we scare them all? Huh. Hey, that was a straight up 10 count. Where'd they go? Maybe they all took off. There it goes. Got him. It feels a little bit bigger than that last one. Oh yeah, that's a nice shell cracker. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, hey. Mellow out, mister. Hey, hey. Hey. Alright. So, yeah, that was the worst dive of the day. Absolutely the worst dive of the day. See if the parachute can catch something. They stripped both the hooks, but the parachute was still hanging on. And it's still working. A slow descent into the inky blackness. Huh, come on, I know that parachute can catch one. Let's get ready for a blast from the past. Well, that wind is getting worse and worse. Huh. We'll rebait. They're out there. We catch two of them so far. One big one small one. These are crappy conditions. Don't blame me. I didn't order this weather. Still, I'd take this over any weather they got up north right now. Don't care what state it is. Florida rocks. That's right. Florida rocks. Uh, I got one of them. Let's rebate. Let's give them a patented parachute rig. Yeah, it's patented. Here we go. Just take one and we put it on the line like stringing popcorn. And the other ones, we try to hide the hook a little bit. There we go. And the patented parachute's in. Oh, there it goes. Oh, there's a good one. Oh, yeah. Oh, you little prick. Damn. Oh, hey, how's it going? Saw you, little puppy. Yeah, out there sniffing around. I saw your puppy out there looking at Finley, the little or the little red dog that comes out, golden retriever, or maybe he's a red retriever. I don't know, something or other. Nice dog. Yeah, I think we lost a catfish just now. Thing was all over the place, and then popped the hook, or spit the hook. He sure stirred up our fishing hole. Yeah, patented parachute gets them. This thing, without the patented parachute on it, sinks pretty fast. They like it nice and slow. Well, let's put some feed out there, eh? Boy, they're on it, I'll tell you what. On the feed. All right, let's get a patented parachute rig out for the bigger ones. They're out there. I don't know what to tell you. They're out there. Okay. Yep. See if we can hook catfish. I like catch catfish. They fight better than them shell crackers. Even though I've had some shell crackers that fought pretty darn good too. Whoa. Uh-oh. I think we got a catfish. Something. No, maybe not. Maybe it's shell cracker. Maybe it's little catfish. What is it? Oh, it's a big shell cracker. Oh, look at that, bend that rod. What's a monster? It's a monster. Oh, hey. No, hey. Now we've been fishing all day for a monster. We're gonna eat that monster. Look at that monster. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh! Oh, no! Oh, he got away. Just kidding. We released him. How's it going? Oh, he got away. That's a nice shell cracker. Caught it with the patented parachute rig. I'm telling you that if you haven't tried the patented parachute rig, you might be missing out. Danger. Let's rig the parachute. Yep, gotta string it on there like popcorn, big piece. That just makes it float down like a little parachute. Okay, here we go. They seem to be out there in the deep end. Come on, come on. Eat it. All I can see is so slowly, tantalizingly down it goes. So,